Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Berry the homemaker, and in today's video I want to show you how to make the finest sweetest coconut drink. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and come with me to the end. Let me know what you think in the comments. So for this particular recipe we'll require 1 large coconut and 2 tablespoons of honey, natural honey. So first of all, I will crack the coconut against the worktop, the hard surface on the worktop, and then crack it open. I'm being careful because I want to retrieve the water in the middle. We call it madafu, for another drink while preserving the flesh for making the milk drink. So once all that juice is out into the cup, I'm going to preserve it for something else later. But for now, I'm going to take time to remove all the flesh or to dehusk that coconut until I have all of it out. I'm going to use a knife, then I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. Once done, you chop it into small pieces. Make them as small as you can possibly do. Ensure each piece is as small as it can be. You can also use something else to crush it to make it smaller. So after chopping them, finally we put them in a clean jar, as you can see. And then from there, we're going to take 1 liter of clean drinking water. And in that water, we're going to soak the coconut overnight. So just pour the water in. I prefer to put it in the fridge overnight, so that by morning it will be ready, and I'll show you how it goes. So that is what I got from the fridge in the morning after soaking the coconut overnight. I will drain away the excess water because I'm going to use an electric blender to blend it into a smooth milk, as you're going to see. I just retained a little water to make the blending easier. So I'm going to blend it for at least 4 minutes, adding the sugar, or you can add honey. If you have some honey at home, it's the ideal one for this recipe. At this point now it has started to blend and to become smooth. I added a little water. Eventually I'm going to add all the water inside that blender to ensure the rest of the water that I drained away. I'm going to add all of it to ensure all of it mixes very well. So after blending for 3 minutes, the milk is ready, and I'm going to put it through a strainer. If you have a cloth strainer, that is the ideal thing to use, but for me I'm going to use this particular stainless steel strainer for now, and the result is just as good. So I will strain it nicely. And the residue that remains, I'm going to use it as chicken feed. I think my chicken really love that residue. Nothing goes to waste here. After straining the whole of that juice, I'm going to put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour so it chills very well before I am able to serve it. So once the coconut milk is very cold, we're going to serve it nicely and enjoy. So guys, I hope you do this at home. If you didn't know, this one is a very healthy milk that you can drink, as well as you can use it for cooking if you are that person who loves coastal dishes. So till next time, hope to see you very soon in my next video. Cheers. Achana nayo.